What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to program a smart key to a Ford Expedition. We're going to be doing it on a 2021 Ford Expedition here, but it'll be the same on a few different years. So in order to be able to add a new key yourself, you need two already working smart keys, which we have right here. Unfortunately, if you don't have two currently working keys, you will not be able to add a new one yourself. You'll have to go to a locksmith or automotive dealership. But in our case, we do have our two working ones here. This is our new one. You can have the key in the bottom in or out. I just have it out to help me keep track, so I know that this is the unprogrammed one. So the first thing we want to do is go over to the cup holder. And in the front cup holder, we're going to remove the rubber piece that's in the bottom. After we remove that piece, we can see what's referred to in your owner's manual as the backup slot in the bottom there. So we're going to take our first already programmed smart key and we're going to put it in there like that. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to turn the ignition to the on position. So that's going to be pressing the stop start button one time without pressing the brake. And we're going to listen for it to stop dinging. Once it stops dinging, turn it off. Remove the first key. Place your second already programmed key in there. Turn it to on position. Wait for it to quit dinging. Turn it off. Remove that. Now we're going to grab our unprogrammed key and put it in there in the same way. Come over here and do the same thing. Turn it on. And you saw the hazards flash, and then we got a message there saying key program successful. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.